In this video, I am going to be showing you how to make a TikTok account private. To do this, make sure we're in your TikTok app, then make sure you're in the profile part right here. Okay? Now, when you're in the profile part, tap right here, in the three lines up there, and then tap on settings and privacy. When you tap on settings and privacy, you're actually going to see account, privacy, security, and permissions. So you're going to go to privacy right there. So up here, you actually have what they call discoverability. So private account. Okay. When you make your account private, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Okay. But your existing followers won't be affected if you turn this after getting some followers. So to make the account private, tap right here, and then you've actually made the TikTok account private. When you come back, refresh it a little bit, you can see this padlock right here. So you have now made a TikTok account private. A subscription would be nice.